Aquarius, 3 degrees, a deserter from the Navy. This is a symbol of human independence, carried to a point of extreme rebellion against things as they are, here emphasized in a disregard of all consequences for the sake of an immediate liberation of the spirit. There is a demand for a more rewarding expression of individuality, and the reverse symbolism suggests that any late acceptance of full and personal responsibility for life is better than none at all. Except as man creates his own allegiances, his destiny holds no depth. The key word is defiance. When positive, the degree is genuine psychological courage in a repudiation of all meaningless loyalties, and when negative, complete inability to follow the rules of any game. Leo, 3 degrees, a woman having her hair bobbed. This is a symbol of human independence, carried to a point of extreme self-examination, here emphasized in a desire for greater participation in the momentary trends and heightened values of social milieu. There is open invitation to every possibility of personal experience and a willingness to grasp the least promising opportunity in order to achieve an enlarged significance. The soul accepts every minor modification of itself in order to perfect the channels of its self-expression. The key word is decision. When positive, the degree is exceptionally effective self-mobilization for the sake of personal ambition, and when negative, wholly inadequate appreciation for the self and its destiny. We are all the constellation and a bright burning star, defying what defines us, deciding who we are. Independent earthling, why is it you come here? Destiny to participate and be the ship you steer. Within you is the spirit, true we all do share, yet individual are you, unique with style and flair. Together we form society, we participate in this game. Self-expression independently, the rules are not the same. Free to choose as freedom is, responsible for one's action, yet buck the trends of outdated norms and be sure to get a reaction. Heal like a snake that moves so freely, move past the skin that binds. Friend now foe evolving, to yourself be kind. When loyalty is now meaningless, then take the lion's form. Courage is to stand in truth, then cower to conform. The moon is its darkest, before it comes new. Cut off your allegiance as a new day breaks through. Your soul is the flame, let it burn, express your heart's desire. You'll attract the tribe and breathe the air, flame becomes the fire. Rise up to the sky, liberate the spirit, fly high with new ambition. To play your part is a courtesy to those stuck in tradition. Remember now you are the sun, the light we all revolve. All the light of the stars, the water bearer sits, together we evolve. To be who you are, first and foremost, refusing misled compliance. The collective will see, live always free, and love in decisive defiance.